Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to fix the lines between or the space between text lines in Hostinger website builder. This is the before and this is the after. As you see, just a little bit of space between lines. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to resize space between text lines on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first let me show you the problem that we are fixing in this video. So if you try to add a text element to your website page and you want to write it in a paragraph style, you start writing your text, and when you hit enter and you start the second line, for example, and third line. As you see here, the space is too much wider. So how to fix this? First, select all the text, click on more options, and use this slider below line height. As you see, like this. Now you can also adjust now you can close this, of course, and you can also adjust the space between lines manually, like this. This is the first solution. Let's put it here. The second solution to this too much space between lines problem, between text lines problem, is that you can duplicate a paragraph or a text element that you already have, for example, this one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. A paragraph or a text element that you already have, for example, this one. For example, how can I duplicate this? Yes, select the text element first, click on duplicate, and then grab the text element like this. And you can rewrite it. Write your text here, and I think it's the same thing. Now, I hope this second solution fixes a problem, another problem, but this is I think the first solution is enough. This one or the second one is better if you want to keep the same text style of your website, because this one is harder to keep selecting the text font size, bold or normal, in order to get, and also the color, and also to get the default one. And this is how to fix. Now let's view this text live. And this is how my new text looks like after adjusting or resizing the space or the lines between text. And this is how to fix this issue. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.